All right, guys, in this video, we're going to learn how to factor a sum or a difference of cubes. And I have actually given you two formulas here that you're going to follow in order to factor these. So the first one is the sum of a difference of cubes. That's this one. Notice that it is a cubed plus b squared equals a plus b. So what you're going to do, like if this said the number 8 here, what do you cube to get 8? Well, you cube 2 to get 8. So that means your a would be 2, okay? And then b cubed. So a plus b, you're going to figure out what you would cube to get that b cubed answer. So it's a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. So let's go down here and look at this example. X cubed plus 27. If I want to work that example, then I'm going to look up here and I'm going to say, okay, what is my a equal to? Well, to get x cubed, I multiply x times x times x. So that means my a is equal to x. Okay, what about my b? What do I cube to get 27? Well, if you think about that, if 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. We just did that one here. So let's talk about 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Times 3 would be 27. So my b is going to be 3 because 3 cubed gives me 27. Now, once you find a and b, you plug it into this formula. So this is going to be equal to x, which is a, plus 3, which is b, times, and I'm just going by this formula right here. I'm taking everything from here. A squared, well, a is x, so that's x squared, okay, minus a times b. Well, that's going to be 3x. Plus b squared. b is 3. 3 squared, that's 3 times 3, which is 9. And that's it. So you follow this formula and figure out your factoring. Okay, the other one is a difference of cubes. And that's this formula here. So a cubed minus b cubed equals, notice this time, a minus b, and then a squared plus ab plus b squared. So you still have to figure out what your a and b are. All right, let's look at example G here. Now, the first thing that I notice here is that I've got two even numbers. I have a 2 and a 128. So the first thing I'm going to do is take a 2 out. That's going to leave me with x cubed minus 64. Now, this x cubed minus 64, that's what I want to factor. Okay, now you got to keep your 2 because you took that out, so it's part of your factoring now. All right, let's figure out what a is. If it's x cubed, then what do I cube to get x cubed? That would be x. So my a is equal to x. B, what do we cube to get 64? Okay, now we already know that it's not 2 and it's not 3 because 2 cubed is 8 and 3 cubed is 27. So let's try 4. If I do 4 times 4 times 4, all right, 4 times 4 is 16, and 16 times 4, that is 64. So my b here is 64. So once you come up with these, you go back to your formula. Okay, so a, which is x, minus b, which is 4, and then I close my parentheses, open another parentheses, a squared is x squared, plus ab, that's x times 4, which we write as 4x, plus b squared. b is 4. 4 squared, that means 4 times 4, which is 16. And this would be your answer. I didn't circle the answer here, but that's our answer there. Okay, that's how you factor a sum or a difference of cubes. If you have questions, let me know.